I'm going to talk about the 4 problems that are faced in economics. The first problem is the what question, the second problem is the how question, the third problem is the whom question, and the fourth question is the question of growth. So I'll start with the first one. What is the what question? So the what question is the question whereby a society, for example, first of all, before I start defining the what question, a society is actually faced with different types of goods from which it can actually choose. The type of goods that it needs to produce, but such kind of society cannot produce everything. This means that it needs to make a choice. So the word question deals with making a choice of the goods that are of the goods that a society needs, or the goods that will suit the resources of the society. That's the word question. Then the word question, when goods have been identified that are going to produce, the society must also identify the types of resources that is going to use to produce those goods in question. And the other thing that the society must do is to identify the quantity of resources that it is going to use to produce those goods in question. So in summary, the word questions, this is the question that deals with making a choice of the goods that a society will produce, and when the choice has been made, the society must identify the type of resources and the amount of resources that are going to be used to produce those goods in question. That's what about the word question. Then I come to the second one, the how question. So the how question deals with the production technique that is going to be used to produce the goods in question. Then there are 2 types of production techniques. There is capital intensive method and labor intensive method. So what is capital intensive method? Capital intensive method is the type of production. It's the type of production technique that uses more of capital and less of labor. Then labor intensive method is the production method that uses more of labor and less of capital. Then the other thing that you must know on the how question is that a rational society is going to use a production technique that is effectively. This means a production technique that produces goods in large amounts, but at a least cost. So it produces goods in large amount, but at a least cost. Then the other thing that you're supposed to know in the how question is that a society will choose the production technique involving these 2 reasons. The first one is it can be that the production technique is cheap. The other reason can be the production technique is mostly available in that society. So that's all about the how question. Then the home question. The home question just deals with whom are we producing those goods that we actually want to produce. So this is just